What's going on, guys? Rob from Clicks Geek, and today's something a little different. I want to run through an HVAC heating and cooling contractor who's running a call-only campaign, which is pretty cool. And I'm actually doing a lot more of these now because they seem to be doing really well based on all of Google's new mobile push and all that stuff. So I just wanted to run through this with you real quick. You can see here, they're a small contractor. They're running a call-only on 50 a day budget. In the last 30 days, which is January 2nd to January 31st. They've gotten 1,834 impressions, 35 clicks, 1.9% click-through rate, which is kind of being hindered by the average cost per click because the budget's so small, we can't really get aggressive with the bidding. They've spent a total of $1,000 over those 30 days. They've gotten 35 clicks, and 20 of those clicks turned into phone call leads for the client, for a cost per lead of $50.06. Conversion rate is outrageous, 57% conversion rate, which I'm extremely happy with. But if we go into the campaign, you can kind of see some of the ad groups we're doing here. And they're obviously in Florida, you can see that. Sort by clicks. 9 clicks, 7 leads for heating repair. 5 leads, 7 clicks for air conditioning repair, 4 and 4 for air conditioning contractor, 2 clicks, 1 lead for HVAC repair. So these are, let's double counted, so discount that. So these are all, I'm going to show you the keywords too. These are all really simple keywords. They're just exact and phrase match, that's all we're going after. And you can see here, they're basic keywords: heating repair, HVAC company. Actually, HVAC company didn't produce anything. I'm actually going to pause that while I have you guys here. AC repair, 4 clicks, 2 leads. Air conditioning repair, 2 clicks, 1 lead. I mean, this is pretty good for such a small campaign. I would love to get somebody bigger for this call only, which I'm working on a few of them right now with like a $250 a day budget, because I really want to see if this thing has legs to run, because it's hard to you can only do so much with 25 clicks, so there's not really much we can optimize at this point right now. And you're seeing 25 clicks and 12 conversions here, and that's because I think we were running a if I go to all, I'm pretty sure we were running broad match. Yeah, we had a few broad matches going, but the quality of the leads that were coming from the broad match was not good. So we just wanted to cut that loose and just kind of tighten everything down and dial it in a little bit so we get better quality. And that's kind of what you're looking at right now. So this is what we're doing. We got exact and phrase. Doing pretty good for the small budget. Client's happy, so if they're happy, we're happy. Conversion actions for this is just one conversion action. I just named it call only, and it's just tracking anyone that calls and lasts over 10 seconds, and that fires as a lead. So that's what we're looking at with conversion wise. And besides that, that's all I got for you guys today. Quick video. If you have any questions about call only campaigns or this campaign in particular, just drop them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description. Alright guys, catch you later.